I'm anxious about the base.
Oh, very well. I've plenty on hand. I don't see why you need to stay.
Hurry now, women. Get up in the car. We'll be back by nightfall, Captain.
You're forgetting the butter, Eilish. Goodbye now. Thin casement. Who would have thought it? Ah, well, I must be spinning. What a warn me was. What now? Something forgotten at them.
Captain McAfee.
Never. Oh, God, I dare not look.
Him this way, Kate. And who's there?
I know. What brings you here, Finlow Casement?
Don't be afraid to look. I'm no cold. May I cross the threshold?
As ever, into this little white stone.
But I've no dead to cover.
God keep you so.
And you, me dear, 5 years. But look much the same from the back. And the plaid shawl too. A good omen. Oh, leave that confounded fire, mistress. Am I not welcome?
The master of the house is not far away.
Master?
Did you not pass it him?
I did not. I came the shortcut. What fine lady taught you that trick with your hair? That's your face. Ah, now I see you're still the same Kate, only lovelier.
Finlow, you'd better shut that door.
Nay, sister, there's no room for her in the car. Mistress Barry must put it back. You should have got a better price for the butter. It's daylight robbery.
I did me best, brother. Have you more business to do, but it's so.
Aye, I have. Wait here with the car.
But Ellyn, I saw such a lovely...
Nay, I'm not made of money.
What a crowd. Oh, look, there's Edmund Caveman.
Ah, I want to tackle him. Where is he?
Over at the door of the smithy, and a tall black-haired man with him.
I see.
Will you go to him?
No. Another time. The dark will be on us quick and it's frosty underfoot.
Why, that must be his brother, Finlow. Isn't he handsome?
Can't you stop talking to them? Up, Blackbird! Up, Blackbird!
Well, why not?
I tell you, Edmund Casement did me a bad turn, and they're not our sort of people. Good sakes, why can't these fat women move? A man can't get on. Hello there, mistresses. Make way, if you please.
Well, stuff. Wait now, I'll get out.
But none could hold a candle to her. What's the joke, Edmund?
Yonder's a man I drove a hard bargain with. I fairly took him in, but the beast looked well enough.
You haven't changed, brother.
It's the only way to make ends meet. You see, Finlow.
It's no laughing matter. See that fella in the cart, waving his arms, festooned with market women.
That's him I meant. Feels good to be stuck too. You remember Macafell?
Remember him? Aye, I remember him. Poor Gael.
What's on your mind?
I'm thinking of the woman.
What woman? If she's rich, marry her.
You don't know what you say.
Our friend is certainly bought there. But serious, Finlow, you could do me and our mother a good turn by making a suitable marriage.
Don't talk like that to me, suitable marriage. And what about caring for the woman?
No harm in that, if there's no other obstacle.
There is. There's a husband. And just look down.
What? Not that still. Have you not forgotten Captain Macafell?
No.
It's all imagination.
I imagine nothing else these many years.
Is it so?
I've been to the end of the earth for her.
Maybe you'd have been better on the spot. But is there no limit to what you'd do for her?
There is not, I think.
The time might be right. The pen looks must be crossed as fine pen. Listen, Finlow, mother and I are desperate for money, and that old toad squats on his acres at the nearly bed, ready to catch. He looks easily trapped, doesn't he? Hey, Finlow, where are you going?
Whoa there.
Let me pass, sir.
Remember me, Macafell?
Who are you, Macafell, and me?
I haven't changed that much.
Here, Blackbird.
No hurry now, Master Ellyn. You got the lady long since.
Out of me way, stranger.
Your name is Finlow Casement.
Finlow Casement?
Don't you dare say it, Master?
I'll put the town captain on you if you impede me further.
If it's the dark you're afraid of, don't worry. Your wife is safe at home. This time, tap. I've been in the plaid hall, however. At your age.
You.
Here, brother, give me the rein. Mind your feet, your oath, but I shan't.
The damn interloper.
A good start, I must say.
What the devil do you mean, start? This cursed business is finished.
You don't twig. I'll tell you what, Finlow. Let's make a fresh start, shall we? With good manners between us and Macafell. I believe I'll offer him the money back on the horse. Then he can't say I let him down. But, the beast might. With good manners between us and Macafell, I believe I will offer him the money back on the horse. And then he can't say I let him down. But the beast might. We made one of the business anyway, didn't we?
Yeah.
Mustn't be bad this time, I don't
No,
think.
it'll be
It's the dog taxi.
with good manners between us and Macafell. I believe I will offer offer him the money back on the horse. Then he can't say I let him down. But the base me.
Need to cross this fine train. Listen, Finlow. Your mother and I are desperate for money. And that old toad squats in his acres up at the Neary bag, ready to catch. He looked easily trapped, doesn't he? Hey, Finlow, where are you going? Oh, there. Get me past her. Remember me, Macapel? Who are you, Macapel? Me? I haven't changed that much. Get up, Blackbird. No hurry now, Master Ellyn. You got the lady lungs in. Out of my way, stranger. My name is Finlow Casement. Finlow Casement? Don't you dare say it, Master. I'll put the town captain on you if you impede me further. Is it the dark you're afraid of? Don't worry, your wife is safe at home. This time. I seen her in the pledge hall, however. At your age. Ooh. Here, brother, give me the rein. Mind your feet, you rogue. I shan't. The damn interloper. Good start, I must say. What the devil you mean, start, just 'cause the business is finished? You don't twig? I'll tell you what, fellow. Let's make a fresh start, shall we? With good manners between us and Macphail. I believe I will offer him the money back on the horse. Then he can't say I let him down. But the beast may.
Composed
Thank you.